Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, we're looking at deals for July the 26th only, part of this week of my Walgreens magic. I said it was Christmas in July, and this video, oh my gosh, guys, like it's delivering big time. So let's just get right into this. So a couple days ago, you could load this booster, which is 15 back when you spend 30. Wednesday only. Please pay attention. And it's valid both in-store and online. I would personally go in-store because so many online orders have been canceled. And this guy is in fact stacking with this guy, which is the 25% off. So, I mean, some tremendous savings. Amazing. One more time again for the new shoppers. This is Wednesday, July the 26th only. That booster will only work on the 26th. You either do this in-store or as a curbside order. If your area has been canceling a bunch of the curbside orders, I recommend to go in-store for this one. It's just a little bit easier. You could see what to put in a $30 basket, and it's pretty easy, especially if there's been a bunch of cancellations, and you would know that. To make this video not so repetitive, the 15 back when you spend 30 and that 25%er that I just showed you in the slides previous, I'm not going to show it before every single deal. I'll mention it just to keep the video rolling a bit quickly. Now, this week of my Walgreens is continuing. Tomorrow, which is Thursday the 27th, we're getting $20 back when we spend $45 on beauty. You know the Dr. Bronner's. I'm going to make a deal for that for those of you that love Dr. Bronner's, myself included. And then Friday, $10 back when you put in a $10 online order. So, I mean, they're just giving away the store this week. So look forward to those two videos in the next couple of days. If these deals are too high of an out of pocket, I hear you. I understand you. Pass on it. This isn't for you. But a lot of us that build our Walgreens cash to go back in the store to buy groceries or supplements or pet supplies or whatever, we do see the value in this week, and that's why everybody's so excited. Okay, so we're looking at deal number one. We're going to be grabbing 2 of the Crest toothpaste at $4 a pop. The deal with that is that when you buy 2, you're getting $4 back in Walgreens cash. And then we're going to buy 2 of the Gillette Venus razors. Buy 2, get $8 back. So we're going to be having a men's for $13. And we're going to load this men's $3 digital coupon. Hopefully you have the same coupons as I. And then for the toothpaste, we have a 2 off a 2, so load this guy. Balance out the basket, guys. We also need one of these ladies ones. Buy 2, get $8 back. So that is $10. And she has a $3 coupon attaching to her. So load this as well. Here are all the coupons coming off. $8 right there. So as you can see, it's working. Looking at the overall basket, it's $31. And the booster is to spend 30, get back 15. So 15% return on investment. I'm at 31. I would do this one in store. $8 melting off. With your debit card, pay $24.86 because that booster is spend X, get 15 back. And you're getting back $35. So this is an $11 moneymaker. Wow. Okay, so this next deal is for all of the shoppers that did not score this big mama of Olay. A lot of us were getting the eczema one for like $5. So I got it for you for $5. So any lotion that's $39.99 for whatever stupid reason, there's a $12 digital that is applying to it. If you loaded it a while back, this is a $52 lotion, almost $53. So if you like these fancier lotions, and I know a lot of us do, load this guy. Maybe because it has sensitive skin components, that's why it attached, but it attached for me, so that's fantastic. So looking at this, guys, $39.99. Bit of tax there, $12 melting off. With my debit card, I'm going to pay $30.39 and get back $25. So that is a huge chunk of money back. So loving this deal. If you could make it happen, I absolutely would because it's just absolutely fantastic. And even if you wanted to test out, like, is this working or is this not working? Put one of these really expensive moisturizers into your cart to see how it's aggregating. Do I have everything loaded? Don't I? How is this going to work? Boom. Okay, so deal number 3, we are going to be grabbing some coffee. And, you know, a lot of people were saying that everything was double dipping yesterday. So just for fun today, I'm like, is this double dipping or what? So if you really want to stock up on food, and still get 50% back, obviously Monday was better. This might be a deal for you. 2 of the more expensive Maxwell House and then 2 of the Walgreens brand K-Cups. So the total is $30.97. You would pay that with your debit card and get $22 back. In store, if you might have like a 7 back when you spend 25 paper booster, it would make it free or very cheap. I mean, that would be the way to do it. I would only do this one in store with a paper booster. Remember to use your debit card as that's a spend booster with, but a little something for you guys. And deal number 4, we are going to be grabbing a hodgepodge of items that include 2 $3 toothbrushes and then 2 of the Dove body washes for $14. I sadly don't have that 7 off of 2. I only have a $2 digital. It's bigger savings if you have the 7 off 2 digital coupon. Also load this $1 digital coupon for the toothbrush. And we're also going to grab one of these Tide Pods for $12.99 because I do have some problems. Whenever I can get Tide so cheap, I'm like all over that. And we have a $3 digital. There's also one for Tide Liquid for $3. So if you don't like Tide Pods, go for that one. The subtotal is $32.99. $6 of coupons melting off. You'll pay $28.97 with your debit card and get $31.32 back. And this is just a fabulous deal on every single angle. And I mean, free stuff. If you could track down this exact deal in store and use a paper booster, bigger savings, bigger money makers. Okay, now we're going to look at deal number 5. We are going to grab 2 of the TAMPAX Radiants for $11. I think there's other ones in the line as well of TAMPAX if you don't like this one. This isn't only for you, so hopefully you have something similar. I know there's also a 3 off 2 digital, but this is $4 off. And then we're also going to grab 2 toothbrushes for $6 and then 2 of the Dove body washes for $14. And then just to jog you through the coupons as well. And remember, you need your booster loaded, which is the 15 back when you spend 30 and the 25%er for all of these deals. And that 15 back when you spend 30, guys, is of a one-time use. So pick and choose which one you want to do, which deal you want to do very wisely. So the balance is $31, $7 of coupons melting off. With your debit card, pay $25.20 and get back $31 in Walgreens cash. I mean, you're independently rich and wealthy right here, and just a fabulous deal. I mean, if you wanted to do this one in store with a paper booster, you could probably make this like a $40 back in Walgreens cash. I mean, it's just, what a week. Okay, so the final deal that we're looking at is deal number 6. If you're trying to butt out, this is the one for you. The Walgreens nicotine lozenges for $37.99. Unfortunately, Nicorette didn't have any digital coupons to go with, so we're going to go with this one. There is an IVC, but it's only going to dip your balance down to $35.99, so you're still at that $30 threshold. You need your spend 30, get back 15 loaded along with the 25%er as well. And this is the IVC we're talking about, but it's not going to affect your math at all. So looking at the overall balance, it's like $35.99 after the IVC. With tax, you'll pay $38.15 and get back $26 in Walgreens cash, making a product that's almost $40, $12. A lot of value, especially if you're trying to quit smoking. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.